everyone. My name is Kitisha Sharma. I am 5 years old. Today on National Science Day, I will be talking about matters with a simple experiment. Let's understand what is matter. Anything that takes up space is called matter. Everything we can touch, see, feel and smell. Matter comes in 3 states: solid, liquid and gas. Examples of solid: bottle, book, notebook, TV, remote and a phone. Examples of liquid: milk, water, cold drink, maaza, fruity and a juice. Examples of gas: steam, air and wind. So, let's see this with a small experiment. For this we need bottle, funnel, baking soda, vinegar and a balloon. First, put some vinegar in the bottle. Now, put some baking soda in the balloon. Now, cover the bottle's mouth with a balloon. Now, release baking soda slowly. See, the gas will be formed and balloon will inflate. See, the gas will be formed and balloon will inflate. So, we saw solid, that is baking soda, plus liquid, vinegar, equal to gas in the balloon. Thank you for watching, everyone.